For the sweet bacon, pork belly 2 kilos, basic dry cure 50 grams, juniper 3 grams, black pepper 10 grams, garlic powder 5 grams, bay leaf 2 units, syrup 200 grams. Dry curing produces a salty product. Dry cured hams may be aged more than a year. 6 months is the traditional process, but may be shortened according to aging temperature. Dry cure is a traditional method to preserve a product and a conservation all the nutrients in that product. For example, some sausages, pepperoni, hams are dry cured. This process consists in put salty and other ingredients on top in the product, and you need a specific environment to produce these characteristics to dry the product. For the gravlax, salmon 1 kilo, salt 50 grams, sugar 30 grams, brown sugar 50 grams, fennel seeds 3 grams, aguardiente 60 grams, white pepper 7 grams, fennel leaves 30 grams. Okay, brine is a water strongly impregnated with salt. For the brine, you need a cambro. You put water, salt, sugar, and pink salt. And after that, you introduce the product. For example, pork loin in the water. You have to leave the product approximately 1 hour to 1 hour and a half, or 24 hours. This depends of the concentrate of the brine. If you want to leave the product more, you you need to put less sugar and less salt. If you need to leave the product less, you need to put more sugar and more salt, and the brine is like express. For the brine pork loin, all-purpose brine, bay leaf 1, onion 1, ginger 20 grams, peppercorns 3 grams, garlic 4 cloves. Brine is used as a preservative in meat packing. For example, you can preserve a product like pork loin and make a tasty product, make a smooth product, and like that. For the bresaola, beef round 2 kilos, basic dry cure 54 grams, black pepper 8 grams, coriander 3 grams, allspice 2 grams, juniper 2 grams, garlic powder 3 grams.